Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm starting out this video showing you my finished work from my last video because I have decided to do a series in which I use the similar colors, similar theme in the painting of different archetypes that I inhabit here as a human being. This first work that I finished in the last video was called Higher Self, and I've decided to do a series of 5 different archetypes, and the second one is Eldest Daughter. That is this one here, and this is how it came to be. Here she is all finished. I'm pretty pleased with how she turned out. I love the colors. I love this theme of all the colors of the rainbow, and my favorite color, of course, is pink. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would love to have you back for my next video, so you can see what's next in the series. I am also thinking about making prints of this series, so if you're interested in any of the paintings in the series or the subject matter at all, let me know in the comments, and then maybe we can figure out a way to get you a print. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if you can give me a thumbs up, that would really help, and I would love to have you as a subscriber here for this channel. Anyway, I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. Until I see you next time, take care. Thanks for watching.